We are going to solve one of the exercises that may have some more complications due to the structure, which at first may seem complicated. We have to consider first of all what appears here. This is a castle of fractions of everything that appears here. What is the first operation that we can do? This is useful for this exercise and for any other exercise of this nature that you want to ask us. At first we started to review, and here we have one more. 1 divided by something that is quite big. Again 1 plus 1 divided by something that here we can do something, because we can already add this. We couldn't do anything that existed before. This yes. Then we are going to start solving this operation that we can do. This will be one more. 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by, and now we are going to do this count. 1 plus 1/2 would be the least common multiple of 2 times 1. 2 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3/2. Well, we have already solved the first step. Next step. We apply again the same thing we did at the beginning. What operation can I do here? Well, the operation that I can do here is this. I can't do anything else directly. Let's do this operation. This operation is a quotient of fractions. Therefore, this will be equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus and 1 over 3/2. It's number 2. Go to the numerator 2/3. If you don't see it clearly like that, do it. 1 divided by 3 means. Remember that to divide, you multiplied crosswise 1 by 2, 2 and 3 by 1, because here, although nothing appears, there is a 1, it is a 3. And this is the result that we have passed here as well. We do the same approach again for everything here. What can I do? Well, I can do this operation. Let's do it. This would be 1 plus 1 divided by this sum of fractions. This sum of fractions would be the least common multiple. 3 times 1 3 plus 2 that has the same denominator. Therefore it remains the same, and again the same approach. This would be 5/3. I once again have the same situation I had here. 1 divided by 5/3 is a fraction that has as its numerator the product of the numerator and the denominator. That is, 1 times 3, 3 and the 5 that remains below. And finally one more 3/5. The least common multiple 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3, and this is 8/5. A little order to solve this type of exercises. Identify well what is the first account that we can do in each of the steps, and then do those accounts in order and without any rush. With this we would have the exercise solved.